It's the moment investors around the world wait for, the 9:30 opening of the U.S. markets. Inside Citadel's Chicago headquarters, it's eerily quiet, even though this firm trades more stocks every day than the New York Stock Exchange.
Now, 2 minutes they open, so we're about to get going here.
Is there any equivalent of a bell that we're going to hear or see?
I have a world clap. You know, if there was ever an issue, obviously we would spot it first and the phones would light up. We have executed 21 million shares already.
Wow, and we are not even 3 minutes in. Meet the new Wall Street traders. Here, computers like these do the heavy lifting. Citadel's employees...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about a very important and fascinating topic about artificial intelligence stocks that's about to explode. And don't miss this trend, okay? As you all know, AI is no longer just a buzzword. No, it's changing how we work, shop, invest, and even how we think. Okay, but here's the big question: which AI stock are about to explode in value? And the next 10 minutes thereabout, I will break down the companies and that are leading the charge, the hidden opportunities nobody's talking about, okay, and how you can position yourself before the crowd catches up. Okay, so and we talk about AI adoption is accelerating across industries like healthcare, finance, robotic, customer tech, and so on and so forth. No, it's a wide stuff, okay. And now let's talk about the companies like Nvidia as is the obvious leader. You know, that's the most valuable company in the whole world, running to like I think 4 point something trillion dollars, okay. But things that we will uncover less obvious plays now with strong growth potentials. There are some stocks also, there are some companies that they are not as loud as Nvidia, as Microsoft, as Alphabet and other big names. No, there are some small stocks, that are companies that are very they are excellent. No, okay. So and AI is projected to add around $15 trillion globally. No, in global economy by, let's say, by 2030, bigger than the GDP of China today. Can you imagine that? So AI is really booming now, so don't miss that, okay. So the market leaders are, as I've said already, it's Nvidia. Yeah, it's a GPU powering AI and a strong growth, but already expensive. Not really expensive, but it's still, because there was a time, I think, after the DeepSeek stuff, when the stock went down, I think it went down to around $80 something. Now it's trading at as of today, I think 168 point something dollars now. So it's not really expensive per se, but there are other stocks that you can still invest in, which are of little value, okay. So let's some of the leaders are Nvidia, we have Microsoft, we have Alphabet, which is Google. They are dominating AI research. Like this Alphabet, DeepMind, Gemini search, and other stuff. Microsoft also AI integration with Office and Azure. Okay, so and there are other stuff also. Okay, and if you put, let's say, but if you think the opportunities is only in big tech, the next companies might surprise you. So not only big tech, there's other companies, AI companies. Most of the companies now they have integrated AI into their systems. Okay, but there are major players in this market, right? Okay, so let's move on to the hidden AI winners. Yeah, if you I don't know if you heard about this Palantir, the ticker name is PLTR. Yeah, it's government enterprises AI data analysis. No, it's majorly they are majorly government contracts. The stock is massive. I think around this time last year it was trading around maybe 20 something dollars. Now it's 160 something dollars. Yeah. Okay. So Broadcom, no AMD, these advanced micro device, all these stocks are very powerful AI stocks, which are, but this Broadcom is kind of expensive also. It's trading around 300 and something, I think 340 something thereabout. Yeah. So that's it. We have ASML and this company behind the chip that powers AI critical supplies. They use simple analogy. So think of ASML as selling the shovel during a gold rush. Okay, so if we talk about emerging growth players, like smaller but fast-growing companies like UiPath, yeah, their automation and AI in workplaces. If you talk like we have also C3.ai. I remember I invested in C3.ai then. I think it was trading around was it $5 or $8? But during this panic then I was still trying to get some information, so I sold it. Now it's trading around $15. Can you imagine that? So C3 AI, pure play AI software, speculative but high, upside, right? But high risk is equal to high potential reward. That's it. If you have a high risk, is high potential reward. Okay, so quick question for you: would you rather own a safe giant like Microsoft or bet on smaller high stock? High growth AI stock like C3 AI. Just drop your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe, and kindly like, just comment and share to as many as you can. Okay, so the AI ecosystem is not just software. It looks at supporting industries, chip maker like AMD, that's advanced micro device, Taiwan semiconductor, now cloud provider like Amazon and Oracle. Yeah. So talk about cyber security firms like CrowdStrike, Palo Alto Networks. Okay. So I remember I think last year I made a post regarding this CrowdStrike when there was a dip. It was really there was a mess up in their system. Okay, so the system was down. Okay, and it affected CrowdStrike and Microsoft, because Microsoft is one of their biggest clients, in this cyber security stuff. No, and the stock went down to I think around 200 and something dollars, including Microsoft and CrowdStrike. Then I made a post in my Facebook, I think also in my WhatsApp. Then I've not really in I think I've not started my YouTube channel then. So it was really bad then. I remember it was on Sunday. Yeah, the thing was that the airport, most of the airport was affected. If you can remember that. Yeah. So the stock went down, and I said I made a post that day that if you want to make money, just dive in and buy these stocks. Now, no, this year it went even I think this month or last month, both stock went to I think above $500. But now I think that was a now it has come down a little. Yeah, both stocks. Okay, so before it put back, I think it has gone beyond $500. Yeah, so it's very important. So owning the ecosystem can be as powerful as betting on the winner. Move on to risk and reality check. AI is powerful as you know, but hype can inflate valuations. Regulatory risk like government stepping in, tech cycle. Remember the .com bubble, and AI is revolutionary. But picking the right companies matters more than blindly chasing hypes. Don't chase hypes. No, the hypes is dangerous. If you chase hype, the stock can go high. Before you know it, when you dive in, they will just withdraw their money. It's gone. You have to wait for a long time before you can recover your money. Okay. So in a nutshell, in conclusion, the uh, big tech leaders like Nvidia, Microsoft, like Google, Alphabet, and the hidden winners like Palantir, Snowflake, ASML, Broadcom, AMD, yeah, and all these emerging plays, the one that's coming up like iPad and C3 AI. Okay, so AI is shaping the future, as you know. An investor who understands the space today could be tomorrow's winner. And if you found this helpful, kindly be sure to subscribe, like, share, and just drop your comment in the comment section. Then I will attend to it. Just ask any question. I will guide you. I'll put you through. But remember, this is not a financial advice. It's just an education. It's an educative video. Okay, so just subscribe, like, share to your loved ones, and even to your enemies. Okay, so in my next video, I will review 3 AI penny stock with massive upside potential. So make sure you don't miss out for my next video. Thank you. See you in my next video.